In today's video, I'm going to teach you Cloudflare Email Setup Beginner Tutorial 2025 and know how to use email routing for free. First, open your browser and sign into your Cloudflare dashboard. From the home screen, head to the domains area. This is where all your connected domains live. Choose the domain you want to use for email routing so Cloudflare knows exactly which settings to apply. Inside that domain, go to the email section. Here, select email routing. Email routing lets you create custom addresses at your domain and forward messages to an inbox you already use without paying for a full mailbox. It's perfect for simple aliases like hello at or support and that you want to land in your existing email. You'll land on an overview page. This screen summarizes your routing status, shows recommended settings, and highlights anything Cloudflare will manage for you behind the scenes. It's a good place to confirm everything looks healthy before you create your first rule. Next, open routing rules. This is where you define exactly what address you want and what should happen to messages sent there. Click Create Address to start a new rule. In the Custom Address field, type the local part you want, such as hello or info. This becomes the alias at your domain. Now choose an action. Cloudflare offers a few options. Send to an email will forward messages to an external mailbox you own. You can also send to a worker if you plan to process mail with serverless code or drop it to silently discard unwanted messages. For a simple setup, pick Send to an email. Choose your destination. Enter the email address where messages should be delivered. Use an inbox you control and check regularly. Cloudflare may ask you to verify that destination to prevent abuse and ensure mail can be delivered safely. Verification is quick and helps protect your domain's reputation. When you're ready, click Save. Cloudflare will apply the rule and your new alias will be active shortly. If you just created your first rule on this domain, give it a few minutes for everything to settle. From here, you can return to routing rules anytime to add more aliases, adjust actions, or remove a rule you no longer need. That's the essentials. Open Cloudflare, select your domain, go to email, enable email routing, review the overview, create a custom address, choose an action, set a destination, and save. With this in place, you have a flexible, free way to receive messages at your own domain without managing a separate mailbox.